So we've got a £30 10p coin hunt for you. That's all the 10p's we've got left. But do stay tuned because we're going to give you a sneak preview of the Tales from the Tin of Wonder, something like that. The next series of the next series that we're going to do regards coin hunting. So stay tuned for that. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Bungle Collects. So we've got a £30 10p coin hunt for you. That's all the 10p's we've got left. But do stay tuned because we're going to give you a sneak preview of the Tales from the Tin of Wonder, something like that. The next series of the next series that we're going to do regards coin hunting. So stay tuned for that. So this is it, £30. I'd imagine it's going to be a very quick hunt, Lady M.
Yeah, I think so. You never know though.
No, you never know. This is all that we've got left. It's still a challenge episode, so if we manage to find an alphabet coin or a territory coin or a foreign coin or a 2008 lion or an error coin, there's still points available in our challenge against each other. And since we've been keeping score, it's 3 or 4 each, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Yeah, it's 4 all. It's in the 8 episodes since we've kept counting. So with a bit of luck, we might get a winner. But I think this might be the last 10p hunt for a while because we're struggling to get hold of any coins at all. So in particular, the 10p's could be tricky, if you like. So let's see what's what. So we won't waste much time. We will just speed up or hack out part of the episode and you'll let us know, see if we get it. Well, we'll soon know, I should say, if we get anything. If we get anything interesting.
I'm afraid that is it for me.
And that's it from me, Lady M. Right, okay, so nothing in that one, so it's time for
Bum, bum, bum.
Tales of the Tin. Tales of the Tin of Wonder. The Tin of Wonder? Tin Tales. I don't know what do we call it, Lady M.
Whatever you like.
The magnificent Tin of Wonder. The
Tin of magnanimity.
no, easy for you to say. I'd rather call it the Tin of Agatha Christie.
Agatha Christie's tin. Oh.
Got more chance of saying that, I think. Right. So, without further ado, I think we have to have coin. We'll have to have the word coin in, won't we? So the coin Tin of Wonder.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe that's it. So. Yeah. The coin Tin of Wonder, or tales from the coin Tin of Wonder.
Right.
Tales from the. Right. Okay. So here it is. This is it. This is the tub I've had since I was a kid. It's older than I am. Passed down. It's a bit of a family heirloom. The Macintosh's assorted toffee tub. I think my nana used to keep threads in it, cotton and needles and things like that. And then it was given to me, and then it turned into a coin tin. So many years worth of tins are in here. Not particularly a lot, but let's see what's what. So I'm going to do a whole series on this. So this is kind of the announcement video. I'll say I'm going to go through this and then see what's in there. So
sneak peek.
Are we ready? The coin tin. No, what was it again? Tales of the Wondrous Coin Tin. I forgot what I said now. Right? I
like that one though. Tales of the Wondrous Coin Tin.
Quite a big title. Anyway, are we ready? Here we go.
I was just really teasing you there. That was a proper tease. Ooh, you little teaser.
Right, thanks very much. You will see you in the next episode.